Clove oil is often used for dental pain relief due to its various beneficial properties. Here are some of the main reasons. Clove oil contains a compound called eugenol, which has been used in dentistry for its analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties. Eugenol is known for its ability to numb and reduce pain. Clove oil has strong antibacterial properties, which can help in killing bacteria that cause dental infections, tooth decay, and bad breath. By reducing bacterial load, it helps in preventing further complications. Clove oil has anti-inflammatory effects that help in reducing swelling and irritation in the gums. This can provide significant relief from pain and discomfort. The antioxidants in clove oil help in fighting free radicals, promoting overall oral health and supporting the healing process in inflamed or infected areas. When applied directly to the affected area, clove oil can act as a local anesthetic, temporarily numbing the nerves and providing pain relief. While clove oil has been used traditionally in various cultures for centuries to relieve toothaches and other dental issues, its long history of use adds to its credibility as an effective natural remedy. Now, let's understand how to use clove oil for any relief in the dental pain. Number 1. Direct application. Apply a small amount of clove oil to a cotton ball and place it on the affected tooth or gum area. Number 2. Diluted rinse. Mix a few drops of clove oil with water and use it as a mouthwash to help reduce pain and fight infection. Number 3. Clove powder. Ground cloves can be mixed with a bit of olive oil to form a paste and applied to the affected area. That will definitely help in the relief of the tooth pain. Some precautions should be kept in the mind. Pure clove oil is very potent and should be diluted before use to avoid irritation or burns. Similarly, some people may be allergic to clove oil. It is advisable to perform a patch test before using it extensively. Thanks.